Nigerian, all the way from Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen. I want to give you tonight the most quintessential couple, the undisputed couple. we go. And her ladies, simple. So you're going to choose the song you want to dance to. But the beautiful part of it is that you guys will not dance your steps, the steps you want. You will allow Tim, any step he's doing, that's exactly what you will do. If he does backflip and back tumble and leaves the hall, you will also do backflip, back tumble, join him and leave, alright? The same to Mercy, you guys are going to be doing only what he's doing. Don't add your own flavor. Is that okay? Do we agree? Alright, so it is usually said what? Ladies. Abi, so Mercy, when somebody wants this just play for you. You should play any song. Any song that you can dance to. Alright, let me have all of you. Can you guys shift up a little bit for me so that we can see them? And the people that drink money, please, thank you very much. You can do that later. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, come on over. Come this way. Alright, so Mercy is in front, and all the beautiful fair ladies come behind her, please. No, face me, this way. All the beautiful ladies behind her. Let me have you guys move up a little bit, alright? Ahead, thank you. So I want you guys to watch her, alright? But ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together for this beautiful bride, alright? Put your hands together for her. Put your hands together now. So I want to hype the bride, eh? So what do you guys say? Is it or hey? What do you guys will respond? Is it I want to hear the well. Ladies and gentlemen, the most beautiful woman in the world. This no girl, you know girl vibe. I said the most beautiful woman in the world. This lady know they use cream to seal the fresh. She too fine. She too fresh. Most beautiful. Most beautiful. Put your hands together for the bride now. Alright, let's go. Exactly what Mercy is saying. Can you guys, can you move a little bit this way? Come this way. You're gonna be fun as a hair. Good. Sharp. Exactly what you say. Exactly. Don't be home. Let's go. Wrong time. Come on now. Hey. Shift this way. Keep shifting. Team, which song is that? Which song? Do I look like a giver, whatever? Alright? Okay, the remix of the Do I Look. They said the remix.
Touchdown, once again.
gentlemen, so let me ask us, the bride's team or the groom's team? You guys are not the ladies and gentlemen I'm talking to the audience, alright? The bride's team or the groom's team? The bride's family is saying the bride, the groom's team is saying the groom.